Welcome to our review of the LSSC Scooter Company, where we'll explore their mission and what sets them apart in the scooter market. I started using LSSC scooters for my daily commute, and the experience has been transformative. Let me share my journey with you. The LSSC mobile app is a vital part of the scooter experience. Let's dive into its features and usability. Performance is key when it comes to scooters. Here's my assessment of the speed, battery life, and comfort levels. Unfortunately, I faced some challenges, but the customer support experience made a significant difference. Here's what I encountered. Like any company, LSSC has faced its fair share of controversy. Let's explore the allegations and how they responded. User feedback provides insight. Here are some common complaints as well as glowing reviews that I gathered. Safety is paramount. Let's discuss what safety features LSSC scooters offer and how they prioritize rider protection. After all these insights, is LSSC the right choice for scooter enthusiasts? Here are my final thoughts. We want to hear from you. Share your experiences or questions about LSSC scooters in the comments below.